Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Range Rover oil change reset. This one is 2016, but I believe you can do it from 2012 to 2020. They all do the same procedure. I was gonna do it with a scanner to reset everything, but I'm just gonna do it manual when you do it at home or you don't have a scanner, so you can do it without scanner. So first thing, you open your driver door, leave it open your hood, leave your hood open, and go ahead and open your ignition. So when you do open your ignition, if you see here on the manual, let me show you what it says. Oil change. So you go down to service menu and go down to next service. See right there, it says do 0 miles. Oil change on 0 miles, so you have to do it now. So all you gotta do is open your driver door, open your hood, ignition on, and step on the brakes and gas pedal at the same time. You hold it for 10 seconds. Look. See? Simple as that.